In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean the throttle body. So first thing first, you want to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove the intake hose. I have an aftermarket, but you just remove it. Unplug this connector. And then you have 4 bolts. Well, actually 2 nuts on the top and 2 long bolts on the bottom, which is a size 12 on both. Once you take 2 bolts out of the nut, I like to set it up like this. So 2 nuts in the top and 2 long bolts in the bottom. Then we just pull it out. So this by-wire throttle system, so you do not want to push it in like this. It's best to just remove the whole thing. And look at all that gunk build up. We're going to clean the inside as best as we can. Clean this. And then clean the front side. And then if you want to, but look at it, the throttle body gasket is bad, so we're going to install a new one. So get yourself a throttle body cleaner. It don't have to be the expensive one. Shake it up for like a minute, and then we're going to spray the inside. Let it penetrate and spray this side. Let it soak in for like a minute. Then we're going to clean this too. And then after a minute, we're going to wipe it down and then repeat the process over again. So look at this. This is the first wipe down. Really bad. Now we're going to remove the throttle body gasket, so be careful. If you're lucky like me, grab it from the top and then the bottom. You do not want to break it. It's going to be hard to peel the whole thing off. So it's like that. And then we're going to go ahead and grab throttle body cleaner, spray this down and wipe it down and make sure the edges are smooth before we install the new one. I think that turned out fantastic. This is the best that we can do. It's a 22-year-old car, and then we're gonna spray the rest with throttle body cleaner and let it air dry. So this is a new throttle body gasket I ordered from Pro. And it says right here, Acura V6. So this is how it looks like. I take the original one, place it right here. As you can see, the whole thing's the same. So all we're doing is following the orientation of where we pull it out. So before we pull it out, it's this way. So we're going to take the new one, we're going to match it up so we know now it goes in that way. Top first, gently slide it, and there you go. Then throttle body, line it up, and just grab the nuts and the bolts and tighten it up. Now when you tighten up the throttle body, what I like to do is I like to put the nut here on the top right and then the bolt on the bottom left, so it can be evenly tighten it, so it doesn't be uneven. So just start here. To knock your cold-air intake back, got the aftermarket. Make sure it's on tight. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure this goes in the hole right there. Double check your work. Make sure this plug is plugged back in. Now reconnect your car battery, negative terminal, and then tighten it down. And that's how you take out the throttle body, clean it, and replace the throttle body gasket for a 2004-2008 Acura TL. Thanks for watching.